FION is a reporting tool that connects in real time to the FlexAccount database. Through FION, users can generate various financial reports instantly in the Excel interface. First, users can define the basic data for the report in Excel, and then use a method called Edit Formula to select basic data, such as ledger code, account code, and account period. The system will return the formula immediately, which can directly connect to the FlexAccount database, enabling real-time updates of the reports. Additionally, to facilitate report creation, users can customize certain parameters, using common terms to replace the internal codes of the system, such as ranges for account codes, ledger code, and even analysis codes. Therefore, users do not need to remember complex codes and can generate different reports instantly. Since FION is an add-on feature for Excel, it can also utilize some of Excel's functionalities. For example, after preparing the data for an accounting period, users can copy it to another column and then modify the accounting period, allowing for instant comparisons between different accounting periods. In the FION reporting process, we can fully utilize the system's analysis codes. For example, users can select different categories of analysis codes to input into the formula for data retrieval, and then use the system's drill-down functionality to choose pivot tables. In the pivot table interface, users can drag and drop analysis codes or accounting periods into vertical or horizontal positions, allowing for flexible combinations of multidimensional analysis. The pivot table feature not only generates data tables but also enables chart analysis, making it easier for users to grasp data changes. Additionally, within the summarized data, users can click to drill down and instantly check how many accounting account balances contribute to a specific figure, thus gaining a better understanding of the detailed distribution of the data. FION not only generates summary reports but also creates detailed transaction retrieval reports. Users can customize transaction reports in different formats simply through a retrieve data function. First, users input the conditions required for retrieving transaction items, then select the fields from the invoice input interface, arrange the order of the fields, and finally click on the numbers that need subtotal or total calculations to complete the retrieval formula. Once confirmed, the formula will be displayed in Excel, and the Get Data button will appear below. Users simply need to click once, and the complete data will be exported to Excel. To facilitate future use, users can also change the filtering criteria, such as setting accounting periods or analysis codes to reference cells, allowing for flexible modifications of the accounting period. By clicking the Get Data button again, the report data will be updated. Additionally, FION can retrieve data not only from the general ledger but also from accounts receivable and payable, including invoices, receipts and payments, and aging information. Users can generate formulas for retrieving detailed accounts receivable and payable in the same way, enabling the creation of related reports like aging reports. Common retrieval criteria, such as company numbers and cutoff dates, can also be set to reference cells for easy future modifications. Since FION is a user-defined reporting tool, users can preset various formats and content for reports to meet the needs of the company or management. Here are some examples of reports created with FION. For instance, in a 12-month balance sheet, users only need to modify the accounting period, and the data will automatically update. They can also compare data from different years in the profit and loss statement, cash flow statement, consolidated profit and loss statements, and intercompany reconciliation reports. By effectively utilizing FlexAccount's analysis codes, users can perform multidimensional analyses, such as Project Profit Analysis Report, Project Budget Variance Report, Project Forecast Report, Departmental Cost Analysis Report, Salesman Turnover Analysis Report, Product Turnover Analysis Report, and both 2-level and 3-level sales analysis reports. Additionally, FlexAccount V13 introduces a feature for generating FION reports. Users can upload reports containing FION formulas through the FlexAccount user interface, then define the data retrieval conditions, such as the accounting period, and set report viewing permissions, completing the entire setup process. Users can utilize features within the FlexAccount system to input some predefined data retrieval conditions. For example, by specifying the accounting period, the system will download the previously created FION formula report to the user's device, allowing them to view the FION reports anytime and anywhere.